What is it?
Mixture.
It's a mixer? What's that? Is it a tool?
It's a wrench.
A wrench, that's right. Can I see it? A wrench. Where did you find them? Okay, go ahead and play. Well, you ask him if you can have a turn. You got 5 boys surrounding that thing. I don't think you stand a chance.
Miles, David, let's go play with the marbles. Let's go.
Okay, now it's your chance, Wiley. What?
A little bit, not so much. We're kind of used to it. Yeah, it's nice to really put it down. What's that? Why not? Oh, he's not sharing the fire truck? Is that
Oh, I'm tired. Wiley, there's the baby. There's your baby friend.
Make sure you're taking turns with Raj,
But
okay?
he broke it.
Uh-oh. Maybe we can put it back together.
You broke it.
Can you get it on there?
Now do, baby.
That's how it goes.
Wiley, don't put your fingers in baby's faces, okay?
Not yet. He like
He wants to play with his big brother. Oh, he's got some Legos. Ask for a turn. Say, can I have a turn?